Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Catalyst, our home of all solutions. Okay, today we are going to answer June 2021 Ordinary Level Computer Science Group 2. Okay, so we'll start right away with task 1, which is Figure 1 is an invitation letter for an interview. Type and enclose frame in a text frame. Your task is to type, edit, and format the text. You are not required to place a border around the text. Okay, good. So we have this. Now state the name of the word processor installed in your computer. Well, the word processor is Microsoft Word 2021. Is it? Yeah. So now launch the word processor. Set the page. Okay, launching, and then next type the text given in figure 1. So we are supposed to type this text. So I've already prepared the document typed already. Okay. So this is the document type. So we'll just do the formatting. This is the document type as we can see here. This is our document. So we'll move to the next question now. This is um, we are to set the page orientation to portrait and font size. Okay, to do that we go to layout, orientation, portrait. Okay, it's already on portrait, and then the size is A4. So everything being equal, we move to the next question. Now format the company's address. That's the first four lines, and the sender's information, the last three lines as follows. So these first four first, and this other last three. So that's it. So I select like this, and I can do that by using the control key. You press the control key, then you select the second set. So what is supposed to be done? The font size is 14, so I'll put 14 here. Very good. I'll adjust this. I'll just adjust. I'm just trying to format it. Okay, so that's fine. Um, Next, font type area. Okay, I was supposed to even select. Let me select it again. Font is area. Okay. Mhm. What do we have again? Alignment. Use appropriate alignment. I will make it bold. So it's already bold. Okay. So I will just adjust it now. So we are done with that. We move. Format the rest of the text as follows. So the rest of the text we have this. Okay. Font size 18. I'll put 18 here. Uh, Next, line spacing 1.5. 1.5. Justify the text. I'll click here. Uh, Times New Roman. So the font type So, okay, insert a table before the signature of the director. So, okay, the table is supposed to be down here. So, inserting a table, of course, you go to insert table, insert table, and then you put the number of columns and rows. Like in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, 6 columns. So what you're supposed to do is you will put 6 here and 6 down here. One, and then you insert. But now in this our own case, I've already prepared everything. So uh, I will just open a document I had already typed because it will take me some time to type that. Okay, so oh, what happened? Oh my god, it looks like I closed that table. Okay, so we'll adjust it by removing this. I think this was supposed to be specialty. So that is it. So we'll move now to the next thing, which is add header M and M computing for header. So we'll move to add header, you go to insert header, and we are going to select the first option, and then we'll just type M and M computing, M computing, and footer, we move to footer is job interview. No, I think it's already typed job interview. So that is it. For this tax one, we'll save it and then we are done with tax one. So uh, we'll move to tax two. Tax two, we'll just open. This is already tax two here. I prepared everything as we can see. I've typed everything. So we'll just move to the question and start answering. Now increase the height of column 1. Increase the height of column 1 to 30. Merge cells in A1 to H1. Merge cells. I've done that already. To merge these cells, you let me unmerge so that we merge. So to merge, you select all the cells up to H1. Then you click on this button here, merge and center. Okay, so I've done that. Increase the height of row 2. Okay, increase the height of row 1 to 30. I did not do that. So this is row 1. To increase the height, you go to format, height, row height, as you can see here. Okay, it's on 30. Okay, so this also, you increase the height to 24. Okay, for the first row, they said we should use book bookman old style with size 24. So this is size, we put it to 24, and we use bookman old style. Mhm. And color blue, supposed to be blue. So the color, that's color blue. Uh, Next thing, increase this to 116, which I've already done. You just go to format, height, 116, as you can see already there. Good. Merge the cells, we have done that. Insert the image called corner shop from found on the desktop. Resize the image to an appropriate size. Okay, so we are supposed to put this is an image and not text as I did here. So I will erase this and insert the image. So to insert, I'll go to insert. I will go to insert, menu insert. I'll choose image. I will choose place insert. Okay, and then this device, I have to locate the image which is found on the desktop. So to go to the desktop now, I'll click here. So it is found in G2 2021. This is the corner shop. So I will insert it. As we can see, it's there. The image appears, but I think I have to insert back that image, and I will not. Oof, let me cancel it. I will not want it to be inside the shape, since I have to adjust it to suit. Okay, so I can just put it here. So that's it. Uh, so move on. So now increase the height of the tree to 20. Match the cells and shown with bookmark size 14 and color blue. So this is supposed to be size 14, color blue, and bookman old style. Uh, so that's it. And the height should be 20. So I go back to format, height 20, as you can see here. So that's fine. Now, so type the text in column A, B, C, D as shown. Maintain the formatting. Okay, column A, B, D as shown. Okay, we have done that. Maintain the formatting. Okay, we have done that. B, type a formula in cell E5 to calculate the total sale of oil and copy the formula down to the other items. So here, total sales. So total sale is simply the product of quantity, unit cost times quantity sold, that's total sales. So we can drag and drop down like this. Oh, for you to calculate for the rest. Okay, now what did they say? Mm, Given that the gross profit is 20% of total sales, type your formula in F5 to calculate the gross profit for oil. So gross profit is 20% of total sales. So we are going to say equals to 20, the type equals to 20% times total sales. Okay, and that is it. You now drag down to calculate the rest. Maybe I'll zoom in so that we can easily see. So we move on. Given that the gross profit is taxed at 5%, calculate the tax amount for each item and hence the net profits using spreadsheet formulas. So the tax is 5%, so you just put equals to 5% times, they said it is 5% of the gross profit. That's the tax. Okay, and we drag and drop. Okay, so now the net profit, so that's fine. Now to calculate the net profit is um, um the net profit is simply uh, the total sales plus gross profit plus uh, okay, the net profit is simply gross profit minus tax, as simple as that. Net profit is gross profit minus tax. That's the net profit, which we'll calculate for the others too. That's the net profit. Now use spreadsheet formulas to calculate the indicated totals. Totals will use sum. Okay, for this total sales, to get the total we use sum, function sum. As you can see there, we take from this cell to this cell, and with that now we can get for the others just by dragging horizontally. So that is it. So now sort the items in descending order of net profit. So to sort out the items in descending order of net profit, you just need to select this in this manner. You go to sort, and sort and filter, and you click on uh, filter. Then you set we are to sort in what? Sort in sort the items in descending order of net profit. Descending order of net profit. So we'll go to this net profit that we see here. We'll click on descending order. It means from the biggest to the smallest. So sort largest to smallest. Sort largest to smallest. Okay, so we've done that, and we can see that it's sorted out. Everything has been sorted out. Okay, so that's it. We saved our work in candidate folder and save on. So we'll move to the last part now, that is programming. Task 3. In modular arithmetic, When we divide two whole numbers, the result is a whole number or dividend and another whole number the remainder. So for example, this we have this example, they have given us this code now, okay, which we are supposed to type. So I have already prepared the file. This is it already typed. Okay, that is it already typed. So now what are the questions? They say launch and type. We have done that. To save as tax 3. To save as tax 3. So I'll just save as tax 3. I'll save it as tax 3. So it's done. Now the next thing we'll do is run the program and provide 125 300. Okay, so let me run the program. I'll click on this button to compile and run. Okay, we do not have else. So the first is 125. So it appears as 125 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter 25 centimeters. To enter the second, which is 300, it appears as 200 centimeters is equivalent to 3 meters and 0 centimeters. So the last one now, which is 3,500, it says 3,500 centimeters is equivalent to 35 meters and 0 centimeters. Okay, so that is it. Write out the output you observe. So these are the outputs. Maybe I'll just take from there and paste. That's what I observed. So state what the program is designed to do. So what it does is that it takes in three uh, measurements in centimeters. Okay, each time it will ask you to enter a number of centimeters. So and there is a counter I that starts from 1 to 3, showing the number of times you are going to enter. Okay, the values. Once we have gotten the 3 centimeters entered, it then stops. Okay, so that's what it does. It converts centimeters to meters and centimeters. So that's it. So write the two modular operators used in your program, and for each of them state what the operator computes. So we have two operators. Okay, these are the operators. We have division and these two. So we have these two. We have these two. This division here, it divides a number to get a whole number. Okay, this one converts to meters, and then this one converts to centimeters. Okay, so it considers just the remainder. Okay, while this one divides and gets the whole number. This one divides the number by 100 to get the remainder, and the remainder is considered as a centimeter, while the whole number is a meter. So that's just it. So, so that's it for this paper. Thank you very much for your time. Please, if this is your first time, if you have been watching our videos but you have not been subscribing, please do so. It will go a long way to encourage and spread our videos all over the world. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video